Edo Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don tok say the opposition party for Edo wey be PDP go soon collapse as plenty of their members dey run enter APC wey be the ruling party. Governor Okpebholo tok dis one when he receive Honourable Nicholas Asonsere, member wey dey represent Ikpoba constituency for Edo State House of Assembly, wey just waka comot from PDP enter APC. With this new move, APC, the ruling party, dey control majority for Edo State House of Assembly with 15 members, while the opposition get 9 members. As he welcomed the new member, the governor come assure am and others say dem go get equal chance for the party, say APC na party wey dey full of opportunity and say nobody go do dem anyhow. As him dey reason how im own journey take start, the governor come talk say he no even plan to run for office before, but na people wey believe in him ginger am sake of say dem see say im get better plan for Edo. Oga Governor come talk say very soon PDP go scatter for Edo sake of wetin APC stand for. Say im focus na development and how dem go take use the money wey dem dey generate and the one wey dey come from federal level to make life better for Edo people. Oga Governor come also blast the former governor Godwin Obaseki, say he abandon education for Edo, say for Army Day Secondary School for Ikpoba, GSS 1 and GSS 2 dey manage one classroom together, and say the school buildings don fall finish. See Obaseki forehand big time.
You can see what is happening in Edo State. Today, I went to a particular school, I think it's around Ikpoba, Army Day, class 1 and 2 have one classroom combined. So we have 6 classrooms in a whole school. And when you look at these classrooms, even pigs can't live there. So when I came out of that place, today is the first time I've ever concluded in my mind that Obaseki cheated Edo State. But I want to thank you. I really want to thank you for your decision. You will not regret it, just as I told my friend the other day. We are going to stand by you. You see, APC is a land of opportunity. When I came into APC 2020, I just escorted somebody. I never knew I would ever contest any form of election in my life. I had no plan to contest. But the person lose that election. Then, being that I love the party APC, I started supporting them. Even in 2021 to be precise, I was looking for who will contest for Senate. Nobody agreed to contest, that APC will never win. Then I forgot about it, since we cannot get somebody. 2022, 3 guys came into my house to say I should come and contest for Senate. I said, I'm not contesting. But eventually, they convinced me. How did they do that? I wanted to send them away. I said, what do you want? They said, should I give you something so that you can leave me? They said, no, come and put borehole in my community. That was the convention. Because when I lost my sisters at a tender age because of water, I said when I grow up, I will kill water. So I thought Senate would be area where I'm going to achieve that, because they say APC never wins. When I go home, people, we are seeing your big board. This is the time we are not going to vote for any political party. We are voting for individual. That was how I won the PDP. They could not even think of going to court. Because even the guy that was contesting with me, I believe he voted for me secretly. So for the governorship, too, the same thing. People put my big board, I never knew, and I started seeing it. Oka was the first person to send out posters to me. You know, I never met chairman one-on-one as friend. So when we believe what we believe, like we believe 2027 is possible. It's possible for Asewaju. Nothing is going to turn it. When Asewaju was not the president of Nigeria, there was no money, no petrol. He won. So, by the grace of God, my idea is very clear for Edo State development. I have that focus, and we'll continue to do it. As far as at the end of the month, we'll get something like probably from internal generated revenue. We'll get from the little one that will come from the federal allocation. We'll continue to work with it. There will be no diversion of Edo State Fund. Because there's no diversion, that is why you are seeing what you are seeing today. Because if 8 billion or 5 billion is remaining from the allocation given to us, 2 or 3 billion is diverted, you can't work. How do you going to work? So we are ready. So I want to appreciate you. This is the time we said Edo will build Edo. So Edo is going to build Edo. No other person will build Edo for us. So we should be thinking in one direction, that we are to build Edo. Thank you very much.
APC State Chairman Emperor Jared Tinebe and Majority Leader of the House of Assembly Honorable Jonathan Yawawu, wey carry Honorable Asonsere come meet the governor, come talk say na man wey get voice and say the deflection na by choice. Say na the good things wey Governor Okpebholo dey do make people wan join APC. Say the way Oga Governor dey develop Edo State don shake opposition and don make many people wan follow APC.
I'm here with my colleagues. We are so elated, so excited to come here, Mr. Governor, to introduce one of us to you who has just joined us in the party. So he is Honorable Nicholas Asonsere. He's representing Ikpoba. So he's a very critical person in the house. We know him. He's a voice that you cannot break down. We know him as somebody that represents the day and night. If we say Honorable Asonsere, we say he's also representing the W and W, which means the witches and wizards, His Excellency. So today, when those of us that want to sleep in the daytime, want to work in the daytime, even at night when we are sleeping, we know Honorable Asonsere will be doing the work at night, sir. So this state will be living in peace that time.
Well, Excellency, the best governor in Nigeria, the governor of Edo State, after your emergence as governor of Edo State, the foundation of the state started shaking. And while it was shaking, little did we know that it was a hurricane. And this morning, we tagged that hurricane as Hurricane Akpakomiza. That's the reason why we have a new slogan. When we say APC, they say Hurricane Akpakomiza. And that hurricane shook the foundation of PDP in this state. And that hurricane is no other thing other than your developmental strides that is making our brothers in the house that were on the other side to cross carpet to us, to join hands with you to develop this state that is so dear to you and dear to all of us. Because they know the position of the state as at the time you came in. And they see how fast you are going to develop the state. Because they know where you are going, they all decided that they are crossing to us to support you, to ensure that you get to where you are going. And by the grace of God, you will get there. This morning, because of that hurricane, we have in our midst here today Honorable Nicholas, who has just joined us. He did it on his own, not that he was approached by anybody. And he's here to speak for himself. Reasons why he decided to cross carpet. This afternoon, we want to introduce to you Honorable Nicholas, who has just joined our fold. And it has made us have controllable number in the House of Assembly. And I'm very convinced that Edo State, Nigeria, and the whole world know what it means when a party has the control of the House. Excellency, I introduce to you Honorable Nicholas.
Honorable Asonsere for im part con hail the governor say na sake of the governor's development plans im join APC. Say the governor dey build the first flyover for Benin City and e dey build am for a constituency, so im gat support that kind progress. A consti talk say,
I was not approached by anybody. My decision was based on self-conviction. Reason being that a governor is developing my constituency cannot be on the right-hand side. Me representing my people will be on the other side. I'm from Tobaka constituency, and you can see the flyover that is being put, that structure that is being put in place. Someone who is doing such thing needs to be encouraged, to be supported, and to work with. So, Your Excellency, on behalf of the Tobaka constituency, once again, and the constituent, I say thank you very much. And other developmental strides that the governor is doing within the short time of assumption of office, it means he has a good vision, he has a good plan, he has a good direction, and at the same time, it means well for the state. And I decided to join him to move the state from the stage it is now to a higher stage so that he will be remembered any day, anytime. Thank you and God bless you.
APC State Secretary Engineer Lawrence Oka also praised the governor, say many people go still come join APC soon, and that one go make the party strong well for the House of Assembly, say na sake of the way the governor dey carry everybody along, make people dey rush join APC.
Some time ago, we were told that we have minority in the House. They will see how our governor will succeed. But today, as of today, we have 15. And without missing words, between now and the month ending, we'll get 17. So, we are no longer in minority, we are a comfortable majority. The only thing I will tell our people who assist our defense to quickly run in now and join the queue. As I told them in my office, the majority leader, I said, you have a very good head, uno mano. Once you have a good head, people will follow. You have open arms and receive more people. More and more are coming. And the governor is willing to work with all of you. Whatever it takes for you to work effectively well with you, discuss with the governor, and I know our governor, he will do it. Having said that, I want to thank God for your life, Your Excellency. It is not by mistake that God brought you at this particular time. God designed every purpose for you. And by the grace of God, you will achieve it. Amen. As our royal father said that day, you are Akpakomisa, Akpako Rescue. Probably people don't know, but those that are Beninese, they know the meaning of that. You came for a purpose, and that purpose must be achieved by God's grace. By the grace of God, we will not speak much today. The other time we'll talk privately. God will come to bless you.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we know dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC News.